she had to go. I don't know, she wouldn't say. I said something wrong, now I long for yesterday. Love was such an easy game to play. Now I need a place to hide away. Oh, I believe in yesterday.
Well, what a start, Jack. Absolutely stunning that was. Kel, what did you think of this performance?
Yeah, I thought that was a really good song choice because it was so different from Lewis Capaldi going like way back and taking on the Beatles.
Oh, yeah.
And it really suited you, it showed off that beautiful tone that you've got and you made it sound effortless. And there was one part where you were going up into the higher register where your voice was a little bit gravelly, and I really liked that because that was, it was like you captured.
Can I keep the noise down, please? We're filming.
Sorry, Joe. You captured the emotion there, and I thought you had a really good use of light and shade as well. And you can see that you're more confident on the stage this time, more relaxed.
Oh, no, yeah.
No, you're not.
Well,
You are. You look it. You look more confident, and that's what we want to go for. Trying to fool the audience into making us believe you are, and you did that. I thought you looked more relaxed. I thought it was a brilliant song choice. Well done.
no, thank you.
Jack, honestly, I was so glad you went for this choice because it completely showed a different side from your audition. I honestly thought vocally you sounded even stronger on this. And in all honesty, from the studio to this was definitely even thicker again. And I could see what you mean, you just needed to rest your voice a little bit and have a drink of water and you'll be fine. And it all came out. The only thing, if you are successful into the theme tweaks in 2 weeks' time, the only thing you need to do is really, really focus on your stage presence. And when you're in front of people, it's okay to shut your eyes and get in the zone, that's completely fine. A lot of artists do it, but you have to try and make sure you don't lose connection from the audience. So open them now and again, and just remember the audience in front of you, you're performing for them, you want to draw them in, use everything you can in your performance to do that. Vocally, spot on. Well done. Well done, buddy.
Thank you very much.
Well done, Jack.